Hello. Respect yourself. Hello. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining. Let me be the first to share. Thanks for joining. Happy weekend. Let me share first new Asaboro. Alo agbon na fo. Alo agbon fo.
A paid is now charged off and maybe
Inu na tin sewo. Wagia lowo. Iwa alo agbon na fo. Alo agbon fo. Inu na tin sewo. Wagia lowo. Okay, mi dameri ukoki. Okay, umenwan agbonyawu. Wagi pope gbeji wi wina agbon legari uwelari obosa. Gume kame no pope gbe. Alo agbon fo. Inu netin sawa. Wagi alowo. Iwi oma. Wa bokin wa bere nege kai. Itu waya wo, itu waya gete gbe. Itu era tunje, itu ya eme. Itu okwo. Itu omobo ina letu mowe. Unye ise gbe. Ekpoli eke wa pamoro eko. Idanu wa wo kan no ma dani ti. Di gbe wa ga gbe mi wa ga mu mi. Wa ga bo bi agbon wa ga bo gba mi. Ire emi ni talo social media wa ga ba sese gba loko. Ejoni re wo mi idanu wa. Ìwà alo agbon na fo te. Alo agbon fo. Inu na ti sawo. Wagi alowo. Okay, mi dameri ukoki. Okay, umenwan agbonyawu. Wagi pope gbeji wi wina agbon legari uwelari obosa. Gume kame no pope gbe. Alo agbon fo. Inu neti sawo. Wagi alowo. Awu mu agbon yo pa. Agbon na se la fe. Agbon na a le se fe aji. Agae ari janu mo. Tunda era eke owioma ajana. Sanegi magbugbo neredori mako. Ugbo ni magbeke ebwi magawa. Neri bioma we gbeke ere gbi magawa. Ere buen. Doni keke na agemi. Iye no robe de na. Okegi de kan. Adesusu pa. Iye ni bia na miwe. Unye gbongi mana. Ni mani viorete social media. Kate wo Facebook. Excuse me. Ena dekwe. Inye ni maya. Isonye mi gbe bakotana. So pano aike fi oboye gion ra. Aike fi ememi a patiti domo sabokian. Aike fi ememi na lao ikweri ijaje mo ene. Odo ene. Odo ijaje ugama eriye ma emowa ere ma. aga imega weni yane muda enyo emi na kau nene siezo ijo wa adega gi weni ne eta kan ri bota ma iri na so pa no ma eke mo wodo ya e na lao na ri aheke na ayobopa idami oti o ala Asaboro muda eko ma oja eko ma eda ge television eko ma ede ayame wina eti ayame na la popo azige kariowe kone runza eba uneru a uneru egbeme Lucy Osas, how are you, love? Happy weekend. No ibi yo na ni mi munyegbe ike idami o se akeso madam yo funa pe e o won pa hun na muda emi no ru won pa mi o ipin yo ma emi no ru won pa mi o ipin ina wo keke ni maya ko dami o ike kio iki agoni iruda eva girina bobo asio atwa yowa ije me mo migration sidausa atokpe jenoge ko jenoge obuta koje wesi otimare Ivan Okoro obi e mo eke ide yo morion ten be na geru nwe awa wi ka ono wa no wa mi ehie do wa no hiari ka wa ne awa okay kaka boda we Ivan e kan do ni zenda e do ri o me we wa ya gun are na iyo wi ebu rock day domosa iyo wi ebu nuda upo ni keke gbo wi ebu e no kwa sun Ivan benu wegi te seni da benu wegi je opa gbi fun enu eze wo ku we mi kere ga e we mi anze kwa egbo pe ave no gi tere da mu we edowe tako we mi ra tako bi omo amamufua amirie o me ni buwe we bowe dene na ikwe we bo idanu wa uji wa mi o ma na gbon wa hin uro wodo o wa na gbon e wa hin iyo me mi waji edo wa teke no wa na ma u be teke no na ma ra wa teke ne na ma u be je ke no na ma re ruda amegbon wa yi se ran papa ewe bo ni me ke fie ga mere na Ivan kate ihu ni bo mu wa hian ipe so wari si averima awodo wa musiba ehore ya ogo mo zige school so ahian ka wi ya kwezige school we bura ariopa we bi ya ni mo go ije orupon gwewa ije o magi amegbosunwe ije o magi ami ni babajo ije o magi oje gbe baba va ikwewe boyeno ikpe so mera wera ikwewe bo gwewa ra mama gbogbo ayese ni re o awa seti asiko gwa ne owu mi no kwa ni yen so pa ara we na ri ukeke na avion yo to ire rai ori gbiro se upupo ahian to bori ba go wa upupo ya ri ba go wa so pin ire rai ededegbe mo ragbon o ya jodu be so ga wa asigo gwa ni ya ha ni boti e bili ne tu pele we no se me rai o wa temi ni e mo ga iye o e mo ga ida o wije mo yaji abije mo wa de ari e ni gbibu wa apo bo ni gbu wa emi bon ni wo gwe mi si ori se gbi van Ivan wi yen fi anu wa Only ni van maila or we ana ha me gbe we. Ye no me I no we. Iri oma. Mani webo ni we jore ne. No pa ma gbe fun na so pon pa no ayere jo. Nda. Ezo gbiyan mai won. Dede no pe aike go ma gun awo ke aike wa la han na. No me no we wo we awe he. Agele wari o bori owe. Ahien ayadugbi o me. Ero ra oro ti mai miora I mai we ye on amave ti asekenije so plan ni me ya la na wepo do sekeni total jina I mai hon doro ti mai hon nda ai mi na mai mi wa gbode ogbera omo kasagun kera bije amai mi wa jete ebi enough. Good evening to you too. Good evening, Asa. You know they follow person for Facebook page. Why? Follow me. Okay. Maybe you know I never see jam your page. I go follow you. No verse. After this video, I'll go follow you. Why I not go follow you? She been at people they follow me. I'll follow you. Oninaga. Ivan wogi no ya to fe we ne he na gero nda ala no wa wo kwa wo mi odo ona wa we ayari ekun be nu kwai ama mu woju ayari we kun wo we ture ge eri okpa fian ami o wa nezo eje Ivan o ema enu we de gbe le ate gie egbe ya dolu kwa weji amai na ya kan wa ni street ye we de gbede ni yoko agawe ari no wa we de gie o mi ego ni abi ke bebe nwenu ya unu I will do so abi ke bebe nwenu ya unu ai egbewa Brezania here in Nigeria le ma no discover ai o se lipopo boy uga enri o ma wo dede ka me yeye ni ita lo te tete elo egbe bra na ra uga da hun pia elo ejo ai wa ba pa wo ma no mu Brezania la wo ma no mu la wo brezo koke na Oma na ari ekenari runda eme mami dobo etan Honorable Vicky Elena mieme ni hiata na Honorable Vicky talkshow awoko no ture gagbe mi yun ana le gbe yin akara ina kan de kun ina wo su me iwe ogu wa mi bogo kagbe de awo lo de bi won Honorable Vicky na mi o wa bi show e mo we nya ni oku na ide o wala ore wa we blogger na e do pa yan share video sin we de e video gsf didn't I share this video? I did, right? Let me go to my WhatsApp. We were at WhatsApp. Mommy, oh, yeah, you know, give a talk, pay. Or broken a j. You may need find mommy. Oh, you guy, right? Guy, huh? Me, why I told her.
I met someone that we both went to school to the same university. So we started talking, online. Then I say that I fell in love with him, and then he was like, okay, since you're single, I know that he is ready to settle down and all that. And I myself at that time, I was also ready to settle down, And then when he came up with the marriage proposal and all that, I was like, okay, since I'm ready, let me, go ahead with the marriage thing, because when I saw the way he was talking, I told him this is the kind of man that I like. This is the kind of man that I don't like. So he like, will I say that he pretended to be that man that I wanted? You understand? And then I fell for him. We got married. He lives in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam. And he's a Benin guy. And I was like, okay, since, although I've not really like dated Benin guys, I only dated one Benin guy one time, you know, and then later on I came to Lagos and then I started working as a sales rep for, what's it called, will I say laptop company and all that, HP and all that, because I'm very good at those things. So when we got married, and then he was like, his family said I should come, I should move to Benin. I was like, I've not been in Benin for like, I think 3 years or 4 years. So, and I don't think I want to go back there. So he was, later on, he was like, bent on, I need to get pregnant. I was like, we just got married, chill. We just got married. So, but there was a time I asked him, okay, because he's 41 years old. Let's say he was like 39 when you got married. So I now asked him, how far, like other people you dated, is it that you don't have kids with them or something? He said no, that he, what's it called, the lady he dated last, she got pregnant and what's it called, she got pregnant but she had miscarriage. Wow. So I also said, okay, what about that person you also dated?
Naka dam yo neke new abi na wa naka wa. Oh, good evening precious wheels, good evening, happy weekend. Obo kan je nogi naka dam yo nake new aberio anagwa ni e ka bo bona aside hot then wa prefer say when me jo me na dam yo come ma dam yo efu o je me na dam yo e say aikedo ibo yen na zevi we odima boyena me o iwe o boyena me iwe o me o boyena me o iwe o boyena me iwe o. You saw that? Continue, my lady. My lady no me Netherlands burger. Maybe to me to pay for you.
This is not have a child for you. He said no, that she doesn't have a miscarriage. Okay, so down to my own side. When we got married, the first year we got married, then I had a miscarriage. It was just only two weeks miscarriage. It was a bit painful, but not that serious. Okay, fast forward to last year, because this month now, like this August, we want to enter, and to make it to be the 11th month since me and him we went about. We only did traditional marriage. We not do what's it called, legal marriage. So last year September, I had, because I was already pregnant during that time, like I think it was June or July. Then September period time, I had the miscarriage again, but this one it was worse. But already he came like June period, and then he traveled back. This guy stopped talking to me. We had misunderstanding, quite alright. But it was not enough for him to just stay blank. He stopped talking to me. I will call him, he will not pick up his call. Then I will send him message, he will not want to respond. And he knew that I was pregnant, but yet he ignored and then left me aside. It was later on that I started like during the time when we were together, I started discovering that he was talking to somebody on the phone. I didn't know that he had somebody, like a woman that he was married to, you know, outside the country. His siblings, they knew about this, so they kept quiet. They did not, nobody told me anything. Nobody told me anything. It was later on I started using my brain to be discovering all these things. And when I started like, you know, talking to him about it, in fact, I have a record of, he didn't know that I was recording him the last time we had the conversation before the next day that he left. I was recording him and all that. I was like, have you been faithful since we got married? It's just a year that we got married. We knew 1 year throughout the time we were talking. Then the other year we got married. That was like, let's say 2 years I've known him. And then I was like asking him, have you been faithful to this marriage since we got married? He said, no, that he had sex with somebody. And if I cannot deal with it, I should leave the marriage. I should leave the relationship. If I cannot deal with him cheating, I should leave the relationship. I said, what are you saying? Can you hear yourself? How can you say that to me? You know my condition, I'm pregnant right now. You are saying such a word to me. Mind you, before that time, this guy, he has raised his hand on me. He has abused me, you know, and to the point that I had to call his uncle as the pastor. The man came and then started talking to him that he was wrong to have done that. Okay, why? Let me even tell you now why he hit me. Because I locked the door. I told him that he should sit down, let's talk, because we are both not talking to each other. I said, okay, sit down, let's talk. Let's settle our differences. I said, I'm not happy with you. You yourself, you're not happy with me. Let's sit down and talk. I started patting him at his, like, let's say petting him, you know, on his back, like, sit down, because he was angry, he wanted to leave. He wanted to leave. I was a bit suspicious of him cheating. Do you understand? I was a bit suspicious. That was why I asked him. This was the question I asked him. I said, have you been, just ask him because I said just now, have you been faithful to this marriage ever since we got married? Have you been faithful? He got angry, and then he said he wants to leave the house. I said, you want to leave the house? Okay, I said, okay, sit down, let's talk. Just the same way you're angry, I'm angry with you too. Let's sit down and talk. This guy said no, he must come out, so he must leave. And then he called his mom, his brother, and told the brother that after I will cook for house, I want to eat. I cooked in the house. It was on Sunday, we just came back from church. I cooked rice and stew. I was like, there's food in the house. Why do you want to go to your brother's house to go and eat? What do you want him to think of me? That I did not cook, or I'm not feeding their brother, I'm not feeding my husband, or what? This guy just said, he wants to leave. I went to the door, I want to go and hide the key. I said, go hide the key now. Baba was shouting, he wants to leave, I should open the door, I should put the door. I said, sit down, let's talk now. I don't want you to leave. Okay, I said, okay, fine, even if you want to leave the house, I don't want you to leave the house angry. Sit down, let's talk. He said no, that he must sleep. Before you know, he called his mom, and they told his mom that, because my native name is Chiamaka, he was like, Chiamaka no one make I come out for house, so they lock me for my own house against my will. I said, the mom now gave me, she now gave me the phone for the mom to talk to me. Then why you gonna lock my pikin? Now ma get house now. Now ma get house. See, I don't know what I want to talk again. I just went to, like, before I even say, okay, let me open that door. Before you know, he just, hit me on my face. At that time, I didn't even know that my body was already processing to be pregnant. I did not even know, So he hit me on my two cheek. As I see, person slap me like that. I run, go carry the key where I hide them. I go open the door, make it they go.
Just before you continue, I do make comments when people are sharing this story. And sometimes it's my humble opinion, and I've been very, very wrong. I can still be correct. And my comments may not be directed to you as a guest, but to people that are listening and going through the same thing you've been through. Now here is it. To those that are listening, especially to my sisters that are listening, don't lock the door on your husband, or stop him from living. If he's triggered, whether he's lying or telling the truth, don't lock the door on him. Let him go. Please. Let him go. Whether he is lying or telling you the truth and he wants to walk away, don't stand in his front telling him he's not going anywhere. Don't lock the door. Let him go. Let him go.
All right.
That is number one. Secondly, my sisters, I tell them sometimes, gone are the days when you tell a potential partner the kind of man you're looking for. Stop telling men the kind of men you're looking for. Because some of them, not all, they will pretend to be that kind of man you're looking for. That's true. I've been there. And the only reason these things happen is that when people have an idea, some people don't really want you, but they only have an idea of what it will look like to be with you. Now, if I have an idea of what it will be like to be with you, I would want to know the kind of man you like. And if you tell me, if I'm not that man, because I already have the idea of how it's going to be being with you, I'm going to pretend to be that man. I have been there, I've done it. I'm not proud of it, but I've been there. How long ago, when did you get married to this guy?
We got married 2023.
You got married 2023 and 2024.
Myself, 2024, Opanafia. Good. Daddy, my own. I think why I cannot come in. Kimia, de Kimia, vandalize you. Why, they're going to work again. Or why, women, or movie new. Oh, why we, when in Nigeria, Benny may have a matter at all. Madam, what they are go, or said I will not bad damn you, you worry, I'll know what they comment session. In the walk won't attack. Who women have a or my sister, no matter. O cow, or where or I talk about, or anybody be at that account. and when you can't go date in school, only fa. Area Gmoya ba Tori ni. Aga imi be on Instagram or Facebook, TikTok. I hear it away na my S. That time, it's why we not friends, but we all come they play. Oh, hey, no, what are you Tori? A problem is buwabi. Then we fair no it. Wafe no we manare no nyi won eje onyi won atose no mu kan we wo fi were egi afi wori eko gemi no ro masagin no egi afi wori eko riviore egi afi wori eko gemi no ro masagin no egi afi wori eko iwi agmo wona change that grow ado mature change because it is in his DNA already again. So automatically again now you lied on there a lobolobo we ami lobolobo we ma somebody will give you full details of that person the lobolobo connection with it's either you both met on Facebook, which is not a bad idea. I'm on a dating site. Ebo mi wa wo marry ori lawa. Yes, also obey you know. Right? Or then they go na here computer village. Oh, we go where do here. Or ya mi ewe mu. Or avec be passing ni e hook up. Waga ije gbe prezani journal ni. Ibiere awe milisi o kuze bude. Brezana. Ese wa no mwere unedo. Une Nigeria at large. Where you can water for 1 year, let's be sincere. You know, say that be where like maidens like me, right? So it only takes the bold ones to say it the way it is. According to he and I go for 1 year, so he and I marry. That 1 year no waya guani. Wamami egbewa, right? Wawe jowa o mayami egbewe within that 1 year. Mommy samito ko jenogi obokin ebo mommy ere egbe. Within that 1 year. Boy, I said it before, mama. I did distance relationship for 8 good years. Ya said me here no red benity here. You send me video. Okay, mommy, I'll check on. Ya said me here no red benny. Here. Or well, here. You will not hear here. Or say me or not let garden no more. Tia here. Are you getting it? So when you are figuring for 1 year, like seriously, just 1 year. A guy that you wa or wa for that 1 year. So he what you wanted was marriage. Are you guys for it? Are you guys for it? All I know is the same thing is going to happen continuously. Dia manari precaution ya. Iya mana mi enwe. Iya mana nwa legbe. Taye da ifie mu gbon egbe. Wa won wo pia ni se. Even if wadobo zegbo se we no ya ta wa o me ma so e ma jo. Iya na risk. You believe you won't knew any. Or you go home piania. By now, me we are marrying another discover young. What's it when I discover young who working marry? What's here? What's here? I say, what ya to tell me, he got to bet he came later. tigare manane igwa toge tigi keneta me madde yo me ke discover wo maro iene okay sorry to bele Dori mugo jwone on a here that way we did not did the official name, it was traditional marriage, right? A book what do you know traditional marriage or major where Unyiwa to sini bewe bwesome ni kwoja ni kwoni bugwa mugwegbe wo mare ihe ti zozo wani gwe Nigeria so anari 2-3 years wo wa tuta koda fun wa bugwa opa agbopa wo wa eva edonota we alegbo miegbe oroje wo wa te we dokun edo makun itedo defwa wa eso ni bieka kate eso wo unero wo lain kate kate bieka ni ro ni me de mi agba wole bon street ni mu na adan wa mu awole chemical engineer ana yegen wa eso wa tota koda fun wa for 3 years opa agbopa wa wu wa eva wa do agere guade eri o me jene ni pia so unero wo yire lahin no ro eti we kwakwa no ni fort no wala we bo ma ni ati police no ma eri ya wo na ma kwejo no fort neni we so ibi amimi ni ro ni ma de mi agbon wo ya do lo fe obe boyfriend de ya obo eni amukia ba me iPhone we 28 30 something inches bone straight right ana zegbenu wa imu ya re wa bere ni ya wa wa bere ni ya wa ga idadin ya re ne eri oje so pon pano Adamu ehwa ona ri mi ole Netherlands we no high majo o Kenya Italy okere wa we Netherlands niji o pia we yin re mo peru woriun unyi wa to sinu we gwema una we mu eso ona me go no we ri nu ya ena me do gunya o beto na we computer ni ni yon nya ogwo wa we do lo yi yes salama ogu ga me wo ka gbe ye na ga o ga milisi okuze bure geto okun ki ni yen go wo kun kuna adobo me ya no to ta mo wo fun e o si e esi papilo we ni aya to reri ko ye won popopo ni menesa ki an to ya to re ma agbon we mi ya uwe we ni atare mi o aye mi ma te nevio la janwo e ya wa wo ide bi aso je gbe me yunu ba ide ale bo alawo ide Jave toge ya iviema te ne yoto if you oge 1.5 yo don't even if necessary if need be no what ba wa more than general television or when oge ge na ga ho ena wa wo bia wa tale 1 year the man e ka mo we wa ye need the marriage whereas wo pepe ejo he was 39. Tori te we lane marry. He was just 39. Mate we for 3 weeks when I was if we so if what that thing oh we here swear 3 months here to be here when it be obi like bene agbon ya zu when they so ikere blocking ewe bona ya na sun 3 weeks kekan amati we egbe blago we wa talo inwina no sister eba amigo no ri egu amare akateria wa agwo wa unero wo la wa ya ka ono na wa ti na again I can imagine away for that 1 year near your man boyfriend Oma ba we kia. Oh, the nene boyfriend there yak bari we boy Tori you wa we aheme o. Nothing of such. The nene guy yak bari we bo. Oh, go go na kama ye my friend don wa ye. Olori buruku. Oh, kama ye my friend don wa. Ba ke me ba. Wa ko ni me le mo pata lo. Iyo me. Ori wa mi onu na Facebook. Facebook, you know, Egeria, or yo, or Lenny, yo, lawyer, or Lemugona, and Mugona, people you may know, or a Kodo, lawyer, or the baby lawyer, or an Aresen or Yapa, or Wamwayari. People you may know, Mushuanino, or ya mute, not to our talk, man. You know, you both iye-eki where even or Jenna. Total garis of it. What? Okay. So that when I hear who Kakatenians you why we don't have MJ and the week book working. Oh, Ije Waragbo, o week book working. Or Kenya, Umay do Nijeta, me will weigh a muri. We know Pomero now. Umay, but Gawere Kia Gawere Imoto, the torrente with Saperodina. You don't know. You don't know. We're getting on one done when they are cool. I give it to you where we can go out there, do no gawish aso to a boy. Because iye may send a fool. Who wait there? Go to what that marry. Okay, Piania, a man who ban on you. Wow. Umateni. Why do with television station? Nimina, boo, a little moon or moon many hours. Let's see, mammy, about it better. Here, call your area. Umatalenia. So, Amy and Lutana, oh, we want more by men. Yeah, but the only offense they many commit, no commit, or no yard you way, because he is raw. On my way, wherever my be. But most of my very way, queen, or be a sunny be away. Okay, we get right to Tanana. What is it telling me? Then you get the video send the Gumeje. Mommy, submit or the video send the Guya. Nigga, because I don't know. What the Kuma? Mount day.
2 years.
Bono? 2 years in baby. I wouldn't want let that well get 2 feet for you. Don't go cool. Go Murena will go. Don't have it. Here I am. If you hear me, my father have my look. Don't let him move better now. Come here. So about talk to me, Mama. I don't worry. You. We are sure. She do. We are sure. Olórí burúkú tẹjọ ń kó yarí kiri tó ń bà mí jẹ́ fún ṣé o kò rí àbíkú ẹ̀dá fún ẹni ṣí dáadáa. ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yàwó ẹ̀ wà lẹ́rẹ̀ náà gbọ́dọ̀ wá mi wọ̀ mẹ́ta ló gbọ́. If you see person wey I born for, e dey fuck me well, no be person like you I wan dey fuck, e dey mad. Ìpè sóòlù ra wọn rẹ o. ọ̀nà eré ẹ̀yà àgẹ̀ náà. Facebook ga ma wa o. No WhatsApp me gbe ha re ni wa ga ki amakan. Iyo ba ze edo ma ti agbegbo ni anybody. Ona. Oya shi oko e. Ogbo no ki e wa. Shi fún mi. Oya ti shi oko e. Olórí bu. We na wa mo sese na. Tó ń bà mí jẹ́ fún. Shi o le chemical engineer na. Shi dáadáa. Olórí burúkú lo ṣe nto to extend jelele. Na rubbish wey to say dey eat this. If you see person wey I born for, you dey fuck me well, not be person like you I wan dey fuck, you dey mad. Oh no, na ya again na. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Come here. So that talk to me, mama. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣọ́ àsùnmọ́. Facebook
If you near me, mama, come back and my
Let's just eat me.
come here.
May I show the
So
teeth?
that talk to me, mama.
I give Facebook a move me about it, but so.
We are she your point. She for me. Oh, ti show rock point. Olórí burúkú tẹjọ ń kó yarí kiri tó ń bà mí jẹ́ fún. Ṣé o kó ya buku me da fún ẹ ni?
Yo.
Olórí burúkú lo ṣe nti to extend jelele. Na rubbish wey to you say dey eat with this. If you see person why
Yo, before they tell us, we do. Egbe they tell us we manage. What do you tell us you know? I don't know the here. Yo. Anyway, emi pola ya gwa lo esha. Ma go mai don. They don't go Asaboro. Emi la me o. Ni je meta fu. Odo. Mama we bi me la gbo libere la. Ena, ven aquí. Ven aquí. Oh, bien me kiage. Wa ti me girlfriend okpa music ya mu go don marry. We ko agwere ba. Wo me kiago ge. Ile yete ya musi. Ndi Nigeria jo gele musi. Ejo. Adon bo me we chemical de be beto o musi ugba. Eu tô assim. Eu. Você. Tô assim. Agora eu não way back. Tô assim, vai me deu o quê? Tem mês eu sei, tô assim, banana. Hiu. Ué. Ọgbọ́n mi eri do ebo. Ọgbọ́gba mieri duebo iya fanuko ewo wara de go to o ayi obai i oba no se wa na ma to si me wa o ni pe voice we mama ni pe a
asa opota na leji ko so to me wo emi o re la
Imamio Oda fa no. Padova. Genova. Ogun ga we se de wo ni na pa no. Se gbe gun fu give Genova. Oja igun pa ni a. Me mo give Genova yan ga se. Ijegbe bu we na gi Genova. Nigeria we no Asaboro la revinisa digwe de Genova yaji revinisa digwe de Genova yaji what wetre okay Padova no o mama de ni mo ari Padova ke Genova ya le mo da Padova ide ife ya sai fa de ni mo da Padova ide oh ide ni mo da Padova. Okay. Na de Genova. Ya mi so Genova. Ide ya je Padova ni we. Asaboro o se igbu e. Ko meji Padova. Ko mejo. Kai. Come I deliver. You more that part of our man deliver. Asaboro ni yenguena. Kai. And now we are Genova. What is it? How are not? Go ahead. Go gbalo to emi de Tori no bana iwa mo hunda Tori no e Tori no gume so fe ona mi won na ma owe gbalo to ere wo do e pa to mama e so bo mi wina rere gbere we nu to sai wa wa kai ye we bona sumu. Oge awanere. Oh, begging. I don't want more one ever. Emi ya. Ah, mommy Vivi, no. Oh, thank you. I'm blushing. Good evening, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Kai. Na part over the ma day. And na your family dey part over. Oh, why? Why this man go disgrace his wife like that? Why? And maybe his wife be all the manager since then. You get the video. Me da me na Massimo bo. Ha! Mama Sami to we mane le vo na re. U vuere. Ya bi e de na tem oja. Iwe my camera even win. E agbe stress. Kai. Eri kai na we Nigeria. Ona mo se gbe Nigeria. He Jimmy. Sandra Matthew ni Jimmy no gie. Wa ya bokia. Ni wa le mi na se ne gbe. Oh, thank you, mommy. Oh, I'm blushing. Yes. Very small thing. Yeah, it dey bleach. Very more. Because that one no fitter. Very more. And now later, now with the little bit of chemical touch. Chai. Hey, Jimmy, and I pay so. Kai. Oh, you know, when I say why you more gwe, man, I have big bosses. On I have key bosses in America. Would say to your see, oh, sorry to your see. That to your see fair boy. Okay, what in the America now, Ona? What is the sweet one from another man? Why? Not because be that one. Another man wife, you all admire another man wife. I didn't know no ways of very been aero water. There water, matter what you go do on that kind. Why? It's not good. You go marry tomorrow, you go born boy tomorrow. Oh no, my biology say. A man of where I was a loban and you bunny. A man of the where they who or neighbor friend the way kai they who. Mother, if you know the husband, if you not behave like this now. To be fair, me are not the I not be bad person like that. This one I eternal disgrace now you give us. You know why I big why you kere. If you know who you want, every zeji. Ah, to you see, we so thank you. Now no be me dey go any emotion o. Na one thing o. A gift you know we just want mure o. If we just me, dey console. They can't hear it. That's your lips, your pink, so they put a me I put to not by when you have eyelashes. But it then it went ambassador of eyelashes. Ambassador, hey, Deo, a gift in him, a gift in him, hey, I hate a will. You know, where you could buy. We use this one scrubber. You color this one put. I'm saying you do one once your rest. Eh, son of him, give me. Oh, well, no, nothing they ever they feed you apart for food. Not by no way, sister. That I like so you put your meal like shower. Oh, it corner a gift. Hey, senior sister Monzezi. Oh, senior sister Monzezi by force. You know what? Tell me, tell me where you make by social media. Oh, that's why I couldn't. Anyway, I love it. God bless you all. But let's see. Me, why ya alashes? We are in ye. Any allo ma. It's all right. Yeah, quite a Rebecca. Eh? Mama. When you are a bayon, but at least me make a picky. And I take good the one emotion. We can go out now. Hell, can I bona yo? And I say, can maybe to me. Again, na ya we. Any ata Nigeria. There we bono bana. Iye ke awa Nigeria before and after yamuyo. Well, before and after. Or what phone am product in Nigeria. Oh amume. Oh amume. You na weba or the rest so. Ikeni lalo ima ina zigere yakbako. So that yeah, we think can you was where would you contract. Contract. Eba Piero. Ah. Hey! Toyo si o. Que toyo si quem é na. Ele ne toyo si te wa iru mo gwe. O gwe ne toyo si te le ya gwe. Where mate we lele at least o where gire streets. Ale ko where ba ko ro wodo. E man na disgrace gbe no o si toyo si. O man why some men go want to deflect around their as in their wife friends. Why can't you go far and use a condom? Can't you go far? If you must do it, can't you respect yourself? Go far. Why are you here? Must you do it in the midst of your friends? Must you bring your wife down? Must you disrespect her in that manner? Then we like why am mon working on move both now in Nigeria or working a lot. Okay, if you know better, I tell us again. You purposely write her, right? You purposely write her. Never a way pattern. If now I pattern, then they ask me how to use them. Only logo, I want to hear you, boss. Very quiet. Both to tell me. No care, we hear you, Oja. Oh, my fool. Only stress on her. You can't just kind of better that stress me, and I'm mushing. We are here. You get able. Kai! He Jimmy. Be an way. What are you mean? What are you that fait to your see? Only say to your silk boundly. My room already say to your see. When mammy say to your see, we came, we go to your see, who can it to see la wa? Why? Why? Are you so heartless? Maybe when I go wagwan. Why go wagwan wana? Wow, we go with Boboto. Wow, we go with Boma. What I decunoka me count not to mirror you. Wow, why we you don't do things like that. And why change? Why repaint? Why feel about where the same thing wow is a robavura me wadi. But not Jerry or anyone. What I be caught in it. Why they sleep as a guy. I will sleep as a good. You know what? I will sleepers. Sleepers in my sleeper. Be true sleepers. I will be cotia. I want to egg yao. Egg yao. Yeah. Oh, ye fui. Oh, ye fui. What are you to your sea now? Only me, wa mo na ike bad over. Bewere me Asaboro. Okay, my Asaboro. Mommy gracious. Where am the video? Ah, you are. Any day dog walk having. Any day. Kai. When I walk walk and I want to give me. Amure in winna. Eno. The same one. Oh, not come on, be any. I don't know the road. But we ain't what I said, yo. Make the walk, you wake the way the wire you take. In my shop, road. I'll give a friend your video. Because you want to road. Why would you give that space to a man? Why? It's not to me, or my ballet, or my go down well with me. e do wo ko no ogie no bia get that ho or we contribute to be fair. Ya contribute. Or we contribute no be so high. Because if you are married, right? Well, don't know where a porn where or that phone where he was ta or that phone where he home. Why you are tired? Well, before why you can do book a hotel, let's be realistic. Eh? Why you can do book a hotel? We can do what I'm on that phone. Hey, no, that means Toma de we or say Romana Queen or got de we. As fast as what's when you have a hotel, it must happen. Oh, Biani can do money woo. My moon, my touch nothing, no level. Or what's when I put your clothes. Area boy, you what they talk truth now. What I don't want. And then I don't want to have a video. It's of no use. What kind of nonsense is that? Who can tell your sin? I will tell your sin, want your husband. Tell your sin, man, I won't mad. That's all. Give them evidence. Say, chat to our belay. Ukmo go man. A boss has a what it way. Hey, you ain't me like more. Now, club you respect for that man, but you, if you see him when he dress up, he be like better person. Hey, you don't know how much senator we are going. We are one going. It's over here. Il est la vidéo. Elle est pas la vidéo. Donne-moi. Il est la vidéo. Yo, il est la vidéo. Why you look at it when you know now? Okay, later. Mais te dis-moi, tu vois, mon sécha. Au 7 heures, c'est quoi, on me or what is in your bonnet, or any ya to Siri or stay here. I only give effort. Only effort. Tell us, Mate Lele, but a man have a moving no mooking again. I will value them on no mooking or not mukba or not mugia, or no mere woman is it. Why? Allow, I want that for one. I have serious boyfriend in Europe. Yao. Wa here. Ebu wa. La boss you wa. Or see a friend who wa. It does not tell good of you at all. Since you guys must cheat, right? It's a must do. Go far. Use condom. Anyway, I'm much of Gary give be a kuwa or wa Tori ade. Yage mani vete no Nigeriana. No give what a video that kia or video and ozi guenala or your home or you. Yage when it beg. I don't remember it at all. A boy walking Nigeria or lawyer call who knows? A can be no be an yati Latin video. Only no way book war. Only no. You guys don't put anything into consideration at all. Unu ino, egbon ati ba ti sinoga e won wa gbon. Egbe ikedo ladin averi, orere ni ikedo pa Jehovah. Ina oni jire. Eni awa bi. Unu ino no we gbo wo kan. The HIV wa we no wa mu no wo kan for no reason. Why will a married man, a full-grown man in the first place, know that you're dating this girl? You're not dating her. You want just go down, make a roadside babe. I'm want to go to maybe a roadside babe just for 20-25 minutes merriment. You don't use condom. Even if say condom bust, at least you use. Ever worst is video, but you didn't even use at all. At all, like seriously, at all. And everybody will don't get husband for us. No say if husband try if they come, and after the thing they sweet women pass, because those days we don't see body go see be like person where you know. Imagine when I walk a bay, I want to say. Open what that thing. oya mo syphilis or Aproko omune no muno ka no ka gbe ogi no eti je gbe ma be unu no who he that was what I was just thinking about unu no who he only a here release also lo ba no release iwe gboko also lo ba pa some men ikpe so ni re without no sense saloba ne mai ono you go wa cause he won't no pia me boni ati ti ba mo saloba no you go wa o bia no re without no condom o bia no ya re without no condom saloba no game ya me wa re no wa kate Nigeria eyan wa de ticket in Nigeria ya gbe tu wusi wo kan gbe woman you can't say that hey I want to go a holiday Nigeria because of Uhenuwayawa. It's okay, it's all fun. Amawelu wa uhe wagalo kondo if possible wagbaeva because that is not your girlfriend. If you're dating a single person, it's different. Egenama ye toilet abe toilet na fe ye ko wa lele ni. Ifeshe wa gbebuhe. Okay. Sabala okwo ni ga han wa gbe wa. Ale mi obowe wo. We are mwemi ame awo. We are mwemi ame awo wa mi. Obi ade no ya la webo o fiun je na fiun yiri o ma mwemi ame. Kedo do eki no to fo sabana mutiane. O ma to boy mu ma mu gwe. We are mwemi ame later wa no le mi no hu. Ke no really like when fo be an bag of it. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Me no say ni bi so na gwa re condom. Okwe no the sweet eke. Eke no wa ya mo mi no ma eke no wa mu. Eke. Are wa okoro wo do alo condom. O wa so we to wa gbe. Wa me nwa. To fu wa travel. Trust no ma. I am your name misbehave. Wo pa yo wa re ni. O respect we na fi we re. Ni fun aifa ne. Wọ́n ge wo gbopodo pastor ye bon an fi chorus ka na we on wa keka iflomeba awa wo ko robo do abele condom latin wọ́n so wa ke Nigeria re ni ori gba yo wa ni for more than 1 week ne yeye na jo wọ́n we bossa so re di akunja wo pa yo wa re ni wa ni bu wa o wa mari wa le ya egbu wa o le towe coffee with ne social media wa ya or the eri magije we no kaje already use the volume we o ma ibi anwa ni oze yubo oni mari ma wo okeyan pa that wedding hi ne tin gbe mu ne dan igbe ri almost to dan igbe ri awa we are the condom la that for me la ti so to da wa re na asan na ga na awe test mi wa wo yo bi ebe lo yi e no ho we se gba yo yi o ona mi ewu ma we me wo wa na e do we wa ya wu o ga do bolo ye ko no to e yo egbe ko se la nesije if I take way ye because amoka oni no ladiani that first one na still something e la ne yi ame wo wa do yi ya yo egbe yi we wa repa so that for my boy do mo mi arego si finish ma gagbe atori ma gagbe no ma ni mura me no mure so gari amemi no mu ke Nigeria re ke no jo South Africa but here in Nigeria jo amemi no mure ke no bi obodo ibi camera da ki ai ki vie kwe space hiro ibi kwe buda o ga e mi ame ihoi ogi mia no hi on kurire no hi on beborire no on bedorire no alaho yega mi wona eisu saba on se ko chasi eki ai no se na wa fiafua o ya ke Bobrisky wa no again no mu bana eyin because iya mo pa gbafa me we ta ave ka mo su ni ke wa jo no na wo o ma ko no mu ko si ya mo pa fa oni wa ya jo me tu wa in Nigeria na wa yo ho eso abi hotel na ya bi e wa ko na wa yo ho wa ga yune de ori o wa ga yune wa ga ire pa do nwe ni ke wo ko wa wana miame public toilet vere na be latri na ga me yo ko wa vere ni ta do gen na mi e bo we ga tolo wa aga je chemistry so aba ke do we agbon ya se ta ye fin water system ju wo wa aye le fin ta pe se wetin yo Nigeria gere we gbera ma ni be duplex la kate to bi ajo wa isowo ofo ayere pe se ke do eso ibo wa yan fi ore personal toilet yan jo emi o seva then after doing all that, after those kind of prevention, then agbon na ri eni ese we wa mi ko pa ni sun e kere ya gbe konton. Are you sick or something? Are you okay? Chris, dey your head. We no high. Chris, dey your head. Edo wa Tori okpa o ma sa fian wo jemila. And the worst of all, asoni wa Tori ni, asoni wa awo wa like never as before. Asoni wa awo wa like never as before. Wa put into practice the use of condom. And to some women, there is a way to remind him. As far as don't be too sure of yourself when you tell him 24/7 almost to yes or Nigeria, they understand that. Yes. Reception. Possible. It's a gentle reminder. It's a gentle reminder. Yes. We should learn to be soft. It's a gentle reminder. Me. You got the apothecary or you got the pharmacy. Your supermarket go na there. Me. Can you have us one? Every ma boy what time I got it. Or your God. Okay, I respect on yeah, fine. But when it comes to discipline with discipline, what do you mean? La me ma boy me. Oh, $4 egun gagege. Ye vi o ye ti me to we out that for me. We ya gba kwa. I temptation hari. Wọ́n get do mi ya record. Mi. No we den ni enwe almost to doge. Na de yenu gie. Mi. Weso. Da won. Mi ya wa igbinata. Omo. Na gi mi gi agbe na mi ha. Be the comment section kai. O ma ri e ma jagun. Yes, one atamo sunu mi ropa o. No let happen atamo if it happen nothing you go fit do say what's the one. Anything can happen. Never sunu or sunu ne. To pele. You cannot do nothing. Ugbofe. Iwu gbofe or sunu ne. Wa ra boni se da. Emi ane won kun ta zegbe. Mi ame no ma mu weke. O ma mu wo se girlfriend ni. O ma mu wo dala wo BF your money. Do mu mi ame ne won kun wa do mu ke. So no wa hun kun all the rest of her life. Egbon me ni we peace aya ara o. O ko ni awaji o ko wa so abe you man ni sa. That people only need to na do mu dan. Inyeri agbe o we no me ni ka hu ni. What say ni? Ina no me ni nye. Awa ni nye yere. so again ni la no de ko video again ni wa vuere cose ni eta la oge ni te mete mata no reme iki yon ta me bo eni no do mare o gele loving and dete bo na gele be mo la webo airport Amsterdam on na say so we wa fi we computer Amsterdam airport on na Sonia and then e bo no kiri a lo wo mi ba gbon ona iwe gube ma lova e ga no okay wa so wona do to mo ko na italo la jampa na we onya miri la o madam gerati awe na tema kai wa we no ati o ga we mata no ti for now o re bungbe be won o re bungbe wi yo abe to ga na ni last street we agwa lo ga ko i me nna eri wa lele media ya o so pa me buwe media o ni ga se tita e tarunta imo ni we se me giri bi na wo e mo pa ya bi understand uwa e we ka ko we ka ma we na Asaboro ati gon yi na mure are na na amare ni are na ti ara mama ni yen e o yeti awa ni yen yere e na bi o na we to re na di na be mi e de ikemu ya mure e for na ni ya gwalo iji mu na be na ya ka mu wi ji o ya ka mu wi je o ya ka mi wi je o ya ka mi wi je o eze no ga gbo ma e ile lago ape o wi je no ga po